Okay, so we have to cook bacon. Cut it in half. Strip of bacon, a whole will tend to curl and peel, but if you cut it in half, it doesn't peel as bad.
Why did you not put it in the chunk that it was in?
Because you have to spread it out. You can't cook it as a whole chunk like this. Only the outside would cook. The inside would be raw and mushy. Good question though. So the sandwich takes a few pieces of bacon. I know you like to eat a few pieces of bacon. I always cook extra bacon. I mean, the cats alone demand bacon when it's cooked in the house. And we turn it down to medium-high heat. I'm gonna put the lifesaver on it, and we're gonna let this cook for a few minutes. I gotta wash my hands and put the rest of our bacon away. Welcome to Real Easy Cooking with Robert. I'm Robert.
This is Ed.
And today we're making a club sandwich. Okay, we need to slice some tomato. So I'm going to take a sharp knife, the back and forth sawing motion, slice off some nice thin slices. 2 should probably do it. We want to take our 3 pieces of toast. And we want to put mayonnaise on 2 of them.
2 of them?
Just 2.
Only 2.
You'll find out. Watch. And can't question the process. And of course we're using mayonnaise, not Miracle Whip, because Miracle Whip is salad dressing.
Yeah, which I
And that is gross to put on a sandwich. We use Hellmann's.
Yeah.
Or any other real mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Now, on one of the sides here, we put some lettuce. So we just break some off of the leaf. Put it right on there. Break it up a little bit. The mayonnaise helps make the lettuce stick a little bit better. In theory, anyway. It looks like this lettuce wants to jump right off. On the other side over here, we're putting the tomato slices. Now, what do you think we put on it? Did you guess ham or turkey? Correct answer is both. How about that?
I thought it would be bacon.
Well, we put turkey on one side. You want a piece of turkey to eat?
Yep.
Have some turkey.
Thanks.
Then we put some bacon on it. Then you put
This is so
a sandwich, the other bread. Then we put some ham on it. Well, that's the last of the ham, and get rid of that too. And now we put the other top of the bread on it. That's a mighty big sandwich, isn't it?
Yeah.
If I was just to serve it to you, you couldn't eat all that. So what we do,
Yeah.
this is where they became ingenious. You take really long toothpicks, 4 of them. Actually, you pull them in the middles. The middle. We're going to cut it this way. One on the top, middle of the top, middle of each side, and middle of the bottom. Then we take a long, sharp knife, and you want to cut in between all the way down. And then turn it and cut all the way down.
Quarters.
Yep, cutting it into quarters
Half.
with, whoop, if I did it right, you can push the toothpick the rest of the way through. The bottom bread didn't cut on that one. And push it all the way through. You should have little bread shish kebabs. with a sandwich on a piece of bread on a stick. So it's sandwich on a stick to hold it together, and you can serve them all pretty, and here's your mom's lunch. Real easy cooking with Robert. This is a club sandwich, and
We're done.
we're done. Well, that's the last of the ham, and get rid of that too.